If you've ever wished you could create videos without a camera, this will shock you. Right now, there are lots of free AI tools that people are using to create images and videos in minutes, and I'll be sharing one of them today. No filming, no editing, no stress. Just pure imagination turning into real visuals. And here's the crazy part. This AI tools doesn't only convert your text into beautiful images and your images into smooth videos. It also comes with powerful templates. Templates for clothes change transitions, templates for dancing videos, templates for product videos, and even templates that help you create cinematic advertisements for your business. Isn't this what you've been looking for? You can literally upload any picture and it converts it into a cinematic image like what you've just watched. Before we dive into the video, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on more free AI tools like this. Have you done that? Let's begin. Head over to PixVerse. If you don't have this app, go to Google Play Store and download it. When the app opens, you see an interface like this. These are the templates that you can use to achieve videos like this. But to create your video, first of all, click on the plus sign. This app gives you 70 credits every day to generate your free videos. So to create your videos, click on the plus sign. Here is where you upload your image. Click on it. Select any image of your choice. Type in how you want your video to be animated here. If you want the video to come with a sound, you click here. If you want to lip sync your video, click on the lips icon. Here is where you set the video resolution. It's set at 360p, but you can select a higher resolution. Then click on create. Once your video is ready, you get a notification above your phone. To view your video, click on the profile icon. Then these are the videos that was generated using PixVerse. So this is the latest video. Now this is what the animation looks like. If you're not satisfied with what was generated, you can click on the remake button to remake your video. You can also download your video by clicking on the download button here to download. For watermark, this app leaves a watermark on your video, but you have an option to remove the watermark. If you want your video to be downloaded without a watermark, you click here. Watch the ad that will be displayed, and you get the video downloaded to your phone gallery without the watermark. Now let's take a look at the template. If you want a dance video, you can click on dance video. Here you see lots of templates that you can use to make your avatar or your image dance. Let's use this template. Click on the template and you see use template. Click on the template and select your image. Simply click on create. And now you have a dancing avatar. Very easy and beautiful. For product video, click on product marketing. Here you see various templates that you can use for your product. Explore and see the one that fits your business more and just click on use template. For outfit change, go to dual image and click on change outfits. Click on use template. Here you have an option to import two pictures. A picture of the person and the clothes you want them to transition into. to, or a picture of a person wearing a certain clothes and you want them to transition into another clothes. So we click on person, select the first image and the second image, then click on finish. Next, click on create. Watch this clothes change transition and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like so that more creators can discover it. Subscribe to YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on videos like this. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.